All right, folks. Y'all don't welcome back in Old Dark 30. Let's get one of the grills going. I tell you what, we are gonna do. We're on the Char-Griller today, the 980 Gravity Series. We've got this all ready to go. We've got this 10-pound pork butt we're gonna put on there. We did get the Wi-Fi hooked up, so we're gonna show you that. I'm gonna have a separate video showing how I hooked it up. Basically, it hooks itself up, but it's all about your network. Taking a look at setup here, I do have our charcoal hopper loaded up. B&B, folks, I'll tell you what, if you can find it, hotter, longer, cleaner. That's stuff right there. And then I've got just a little bit of charcoal left. I had that original bag of charcoal, not B&B, just regular charcoal that I had in the bottom there. There's just a layer left there. Then I've got some B&B, and then I've got a layer of hickory chunks, more B&B, then another layer of hickory chunks, and then B&B all the way up to the top. And that's gonna be the setup. I'll tell you what, we're gonna get it fired up. Why don't you go take a look at that pork butt? All right, there she is, and she'll be a 10 pounder. And there is a bone in there, so that's probably a half pound right there. And I did trim a little bit of the fat cap off, if you're wondering, fat cap down, in my opinion. These pork butts have a ton of fat in them, folks. There's no reason to have, in my opinion, have fat cap up. So let's take a look. You can see what I trimmed off. Yeah, that's about half a pound. And then let's talk about what we used for a binder. And folks, if you don't know me yet, Zhang stir fry oil, garlic infused cottonseed oil, put that on there. And then can't get this anymore. This is from Sam's Club originally. This is probably 5-6 years ago. Pork barrel barbecue seasoning. When first time I used it, I loved it. I bought like 5 or 6 of these. This is the last one. So it is pretty much all gone. And this is gonna get covered up into the fridge. Old Dark 30 going on. All right, got our fire started going. Bottom door is open. Vent door, this is why we do check. Oh, it is open. Vent door is open. Got smoke rolling there. Grill's open. Back vent is open. Sorry for the darkness. All right, so I hooked up the Wi-Fi yesterday. Today, when I turned the grill on and opened up the app, it automatically went in there and opened itself up. So this Wi-Fi can do a lot. Not only can you set the temp, you know, right now I've got one probe in there and it says my meat's 41 degrees, but you can control the temp from here. And when you press confirm, it automatically adjusts. So that's pretty cool. We go back here. You can also adjust and put the turbo fan on, and that button up there, that turns the grill off. Now we can turn the grill on, but that's pretty cool. And then you've got your graph here, tells you how it's going. Yeah, okay. But so far, the app does appear to be working. I haven't tried it on Bluetooth. I'm sure it works on Bluetooth. I hooked up the Bluetooth right away. The only problems I had was Wi-Fi. And once I figured that out, it was working pretty nice. So taking a look at the meat here, I am gonna spray. I've got a water bottle just full of some water. Keep the, smoke likes to stick to wet meat. So I don't know if you can see that, but there's our 10 pounder right there. Got plenty of smoke rolling. And we'll just give you a couple looks. 225 is the plan. And I'm just gonna let it go at 225 for maybe 6 hours and see how it does, how it holds. And we'll be able to look at the graph on here using the app to see how it's holding temp. And it even sends you a notification every time. I gotta turn that off because that's gonna get annoying every time the grill temp is reached. But give you a couple look-sees. Keep on watching, folks. All right, folks, 2 hours in at dinner. It's just kind of boring, ain't much to see here. Let's just take a look at the graph here. See, the bottom line is the meat temp. Top line is the grill temp. You can see it's been holding very steady at that 225. So let's take a quick look on the inside. Through all the smoke. Yeah, there she is. It's a pork butt. Getting some color on there. Only 2 hours in, folks. Long ways to go. All right, folks, we're 6 hours into it. Let's take a look at our graph here. It's kind of boring showing the temps. We are doing obviously just fine. We're 132 on the probe. We're gonna go back to home here and we're gonna bump the temp up now. So we're gonna set temp. We're gonna do this all the way here. So 225, let's take it to 305. Confirm. There's our set temp. And now it should be going up. So we'll, yeah, you can see it's going up. Fans kicked in. Now I could put it on turbo if I wanted to here and really get it up there quick. So let's just hit turbo there. There, I think turbo's on. You can see it's climbing like crazy. Turbo's definitely on. All right, that's enough of that. Let's go take a look at it, shall we? All right, 305 set, that was user error right there. So I put the turbo on, but she'll come back down. Let's just take a quick look at our, oh man, got a nice spark going on there, folks. Probably gonna take it another hour or so at 300, and then we're probably gonna wrap it. All right, folks, about a little over 7.5 hours into it, you can see our internal is 156. We set it at 305. 305 is what it is. And we'll take a quick look. I'm about ready to wrap here. Oh yeah, look at the bark on that thing. Holy smokes. Yes, we are ready to wrap. That's the thing of beauty right there. So we're gonna wrap this. We're just gonna put just a little water in the bottom and put it on and take it up to about, well, probe tender, which is sometimes around 205 to 210-ish. All right, folks, we're gonna take a quick look here. We're done. We're gonna shut things down, but I just wanted to show you how much charcoal we burned. You see the fire down there. So that's 3/4 we went through, and that was full. And that was a little over 10 straight hours of cooking. As you can see, once again, let's go back. See how nice and clean that B&B burned? That did very, very nicely. Less creative, you use a better charcoal, you get less, you get less creosote, folks. Oh man, folks, been roasting just shy of an hour. Just took the tinfoil. You can see our bone is and that bark on there. Oh man, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get it out of there, and then I like to pull inside a big stainless steel bowl, and we'll give you a look-see once we do that. All right, was there any doubt? The bone, no resistance, and no resistance here either. This is just pulling apart. 10 hours. Oh man, the taste. Look at that bark. Smoke ring. Oh, that's good eating right there, folks. Tom Horseman at YouTube, folks. On the Char-Griller Gravity Series 980 from Char-Griller, folks. Yep, did a great job. Thumbs up, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, folks. And always, I can't say it enough. Thank you for watching.